red, they are royal people with the red carpet. Oh my. Look at that red carpet. What's going on? Who's in the bus? It can't be.
Boys and girls! Boys and girls, please rise! Please stand! Boys and girls, please stand!
Everybody standing?
Hear, 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 hear. For your Royal Highness, Queen Edwiena.
No way! Hello, Queen Edwiena. I am honored to have you here.
Are you the Uncle Skits?
I am.
I am looking for my son.
Your son.
My
son.
son.
I see a lot of boys out there. Is your son out there? I see a lot of boys.
I do not see my son out there, no.
What does he look like?
He's tall,
Tall,
handsome,
handsome,
he has a beard.
a beard,
He looks a lot like me.
a lot like you, and you look lovely.
His name,
His name is
Prince Eduardo.
Prince Eduardo.
I am
You're
here.
his mom?
I am his mother.
No way.
I am here to take him home
To take him home.
for the winter.
Oh, has he been a good boy?
I don't know. You tell me. He's been here all summer.
He's been wonderful. He runs around camp and makes everybody happy.
Who has had fun with my son, Prince Eduardo?
Oh,
Raise
yeah.
your hands.
They love him, Queen.
That is excellent. Thank you so much for taking care of him.
Do you think he could stay for the rest of today?
I'll think about it.
Oh, okay.
Do you know where he is by any chance?
Let me look. Everybody look around for Prince Eduardo. Look all around. Stay where you are. Look around. If anybody sees him, raise your hand. I don't see him. Wait, I'm going to look over here. Sometimes he hides in funny places.
Hello, Mrs. Hood.
Here, wait. I think he might be here.
We'll have tea later.
No, he's not. You know Mrs. Hood.
Yes, we go way back.
I've heard she's known worldwide
Yes,
as running the best day camp in the world.
that's what I hear.
There we go. You know, she knew Grace Kelly.
Get out of
She
here.
did. Went to school with Grace Kelly. Yes. They were chums.
Do you think you know where he is?
He's not in the container.
He's not in the
But I
container.
saw him back there behind the stage. He might have been hiding from you.
Guards, let's go.
Oh, maybe Prince Eduardo's not going to be able to stay all day. He won't be able to be here for this afternoon. What are we going to do? I don't know what we could do. I can see she wants to take him home. Pronto. Oh boy, this is quite a dilemma. I need some dilemma music. Oh yeah. It's coming to me.
Oh no. Oh no. There she is. Oh, that's my mother. No.
What? He is here! Prince Eduardo!
Oh no, no. Shh. Shh. I don't want to go home. I want to stay here.
Forever!
Forever.
Mom is here!
Mom is here.
She's here!
Oh,
She was
no.
standing right here!
Oh no, the royal carpet.
Carpet!
Oh no, my mummy. Okay. What do I do? Don't make any noise. That's all I ask. Don't make any noise. Oh no, you're making noise. No, don't make noise.
Oh my.
No! Oh no!
She might be
Oh,
coming.
oh, the guards! The guards!
She might be coming. Oh, this is a problem.
Prince Eduardo, freeze your feet! Hello, Mother. Prince Eduardo, what are you doing? I'm just having fun with my friends, Mother. Well, it's time to go home. But, Mummy, I don't want to go home. Well, I guess you can stay for the rest of this day. That's good. And then next summer, you can come back and have more fun.
Oh, yeah.
That sounds great, Mummy. Can I go back up on stage? I guess so. Have a wonderful day. And tell those campers we'll see them next summer. Thanks, Mommy. Adios.
Oh.
I get to stay. I'm going to stay for the whole day. For the whole day. Oh, yeah. Yes. Yes. I am so excited. Who's ready to have some fun?
Oh, yeah. And did Mommy get off?
Mommy's going away for a little while. She's going to have some tea with Mrs. Who later on.
Nice.
Yes.
See you, cookies.
Tea and cookies.